creepy because you just enter and there were just snakes left, right, center.
We are here having an amazing time and this guy is awesome.
Good morning everyone, welcome to another video. It's day 2 in Zagreb today. I've gotten a lot of groceries, so आज का plan ये that we're not going to go anywhere out for breakfast, but we'll make it on our own today. Guys, what are we making?
Guys, okay, so we're planning to make a granola boat, some mushroom omelets.
What are you making?
मैंने अभी ये साफ किया है,
क्या किया आपने?
ये पूरा एरिया साफ किया है।
So now we're up and about, starting day 5 a little late today. It's 1:40. So अभी हमने breakfast किया आराम से, सबने rest किया. Now we're heading out. पहले we're going to the train station to check our tickets for Ljubljana that we're going tomorrow. Train station जाके then we're headed to the zoo. Pallavi loves going to the zoo. I think it's Pallavi's day today. Pallavi, it's zoo day today. Are you happy?
Yes.
Because you love going to the zoo.
Yes, I do.
Excited?
Yes, and I'm thinking मैं आपको छोड़ के आ जाऊँ.
मेरे को वहीं पे छोड़ देगा.
Yeah.
So we bought our tickets for tomorrow and now we're about to jump on one of these trams to go to the zoo. I really like their tram system over here. It's just like a metro but running on streets. Trams bhi काफी connected हैं. And they have like cute stations also like a bus stop. We just got out of the tram and यहाँ से it's a minute or 1 or 2 minutes की walk. And अभी यहाँ पे आते वक्त हमें एक फुटबॉल क्लब का स्टेडियम भी दिखा. That's called Dynamo Zagreb. We reached the zoo, starting our tour of the zoo now. Let's go. How was your experience for
So
living?
I don't know why we started and we went into the reptile zone and where all the night animals were.
It was
and
so creepy.
It was so creepy because you just enter and there were just snakes left, right, center, and then there was this huge crocodile and all kinds of reptiles, iguanas, rats. So all creepy things. So we were all
And
very
the path was, मतलब
and
इतना होगा path.
they had tried to make it a very authentic experience for everybody. So even the path was like had all woods and scraps of plants and everything. So it was just it got the whole experience at least.
creepy था काफी.
बहुत
मतलब हम
creepy
सब
था.
ऐसे ऐसे चल रहे थे.
Yeah, and सबसे ज़्यादा डरपोक कौन था? Who was the scariest of
by the way
them?
हमें एक चूहा दिखा वहाँ पे, हम वहाँ से
yes,
भागे.
yes, we were walking और ऐसा कुछ चूहा वहाँ से चला and it was not inside a compartment.
Yeah.
And सब ऐसे हम चिल्लाए और भागे.
काफी हमने घूम लिया, काफी एनिमल्स देखे. Getting something to eat. But जो सबसे best part मेरे को लगा वो था The Lion's Den करके यहाँ पे था. And we were so close to those lions. मतलब it was just a thick glass separating us. मतलब it was so beautiful. मतलब मज़ा आ गया देख के. The moment we entered, so for a minute everybody got scared because they were looking at us like dead straight into our eye. थोड़ा डर लगा. But it was such a wonderful experience.
ये अभी हम जू में आए हैं. Yes. Brother. Brother. Hey brother. Cheers.
So done with lunch. We had some French fries. यहाँ पे I've noticed one thing that in a lot of restaurants and cafes they don't have the concept of serving you warm food. जैसे इनके शेल्फ्स में जो भी सैंडविचेस या फिर कुछ भी पड़ा होता है ये उसी टेम्परेचर में आपको सर्व करते हैं. लाइक इन 24/7 जैसे हम जाते हैं, वी पिक समथिंग अप, यू गिव इट टू देम, दे बिल यू, दे हीट इट अप फॉर यू एंड देन दे गिव इट टू यू. यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं है, जैसा जो ठंडा है वैसे ही दे देते हैं. सो यहाँ पे वी डिडंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. हमने फ्रेंच फ्राइज खाए एंड थोड़ा चॉकलेट टाइप कुछ खाया जस्ट टू गेट सम कैलोरीज. इन सुबह से वॉक कर रहे हैं. हो ठंड हो रही है अब थोड़ी थोड़ी. अब हल्की हल्की ठंड हो रही है. अब बज गए हैं अराउंड 8:30 एंड आज रात का प्लान ये. पल्लवी, व्हाट्स द प्लान फॉर टुनाइट? वेयर आर वी गोइंग?
So we are going to this place that so they do these things, and in small parks they put up a lot of stalls which has food and drinks and good music. So it's a very chill, like a picnic setup. That
So we're going for a picnic, but रात को.
रात को.
वहाँ पे we should have taken like some bed sheets or something.
No, so they have picnic tables.
आज भी वहाँ पे हो रहा है picnic?
Yes, we saw when we were coming. It's open
Alright.
till 12.
Okay, nice. Tomorrow we have a really early morning train at 7 o'clock to Ljubljana in Slovenia. So उसके लिए we're gonna call it an early night tonight.
Let's see. By even if we like wrap up by 12:31, it's
We'll have to wake up at 6 so that we can catch the
earlier
train at
probably
7.
because we have to leave our house by 6:30.
By 6:30, yes. Looking forward to the night picnic plan that we've made. So we've reached this spot. I think it's a park that they've converted it into a like a night scene. Very nice scene. There are like a lot of kiosks to order your drinks and food. Very nicely done. Nice music also. So we're gonna look for a nice spot or a nice table and then we're gonna start our night. अच्छा लग रहा है बहुत. पूरा they've spread it out and वहाँ पे there's table tennis also. Having fun, having some nachos and we've gotten our own drinks. तो यहाँ पे ये भी है कि since you can drink in public places, so it's not that wherever you're going you have to buy your drink. So we've gotten our beers, our wine and we're having some fun. And ये scene 12 बजे तक चलता है यहाँ पे. It's till 12 at the night and there's a designated DJ also. So from what I've heard is during the summers they keep this place open so that people can come enjoy, and this is only for a summer period, not for the entire year or anything. It's just for their summer time, which is I don't think it's more than August or something. So it's still August, but it's a nice place. ये इंडिया में भी होना चाहिए but unfortunately नहीं है. Yeah, sure.
Hi. Hello. We're here having an amazing time, and this guy is awesome. So basically, this festival is 10 of 10, and everyone from Croatia should come here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We're calling it a night. यहाँ पे हमने थोड़ा बहुत चिल किया, थोड़ा टेबल टेनिस खेला. We had a couple of drinks and यहाँ पे भी मतलब खाने में उतना मज़ा नहीं आया. एक तो यहाँ पे they didn't have chicken burgers. For some reason all their chicken burgers were over. And यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर लोग beef prefer करते हैं, so they had beef burgers but we didn't order them. कल सुबह हमें काफ़ी जल्दी उठना है. As I said, सुबह 7 बजे हमारी ट्रेन है, so we'll have to be up by 6 so that we can get ready and head to the train station. So that's it for day 5, right?
Yes,
that's it
day
for day 5. Now we'll see you tomorrow.
over and out.
Over and out. So it's already 6:45. हमारी ट्रेन 7 बजे की है. यहाँ से it's a 10-minute walk. So again we're getting late. So लग रहा है कि I'm the tour guide of this boat because I'm sitting in the middle.
एक
और cheating.
पत्ता उठाया हमारा.
नहीं उठाया.